When you're editing multiple projects a day, it's rarely the big problems that slow you down. Exposure can be fixed, colors can be balanced, but one tiny thing keeps stealing minutes from every workflow: stray hair. You zoom in, paint, heal, clone, then notice 3 more hairs you missed. That's exactly the problem. Retouch4me Stray Hairs is built to solve. This plugin uses neural network detection to identify hairs that don't belong in the final look, such as thin flyaways around the head, messy edge frizz, and random strands that end up on the forehead, cheeks, or near the eyes. The key promise here is natural results. It cleans without turning hair into plastic, and it avoids the airbrushed helmet look that happens when hair texture gets smeared. The experience is straightforward. You install the Stray Hairs app, load an image, the plugin analyzes it, and then applies the cleanup. In many cases, that's genuinely all you need. But it doesn't stop at auto mode. You can manually guide it using a brush-style mask workflow like this. If the plugin missed a hair, you mark the area and regenerate. If the plugin removes something you wanted to keep, like a natural curl strand or even stray hair you think adds character, you can erase it from the mask and regenerate it again. This is a big deal because automatic tools often feel like a one-way door. Here, it's more like a smart assistant. Fast by default, but not locked. If you work in Photoshop daily, Stray Hairs fits neatly into a non-destructive workflow, as long as you treat it like any other filter process. Duplicate your layer first, then apply the plugin on the duplicate. One of the most helpful options is layer mode, which exports the changes onto a separate layer. That means you can lower opacity if the cleanup feels too strong, mask it back in specific areas, blend it with your own manual retouching. This turns the plugin from I did everything into I did the boring part, and I'm still the one in control. In clean studio portraits and most lifestyle shoots, Stray Hairs performs like a time machine. It removes a large percentage of flyaways around the head and hairline edges with minimal artifacts. That alone can cut your retouch time dramatically. Now, that being said, sometimes it may remove hairs that are not actually stray, especially around textured hair, curls, beards, or chest hair, if it's visible in frame. The good news is that masking can restore those areas. Basically, everything is easy when you have control in your hands. Also, note that processing time mostly depends on your device. About the pricing, Retouch4me Stray Hairs really stands out because it offers a one-time purchase option for $145 only. Now, if you use the code PIXELED, you will get an additional 20% discount on top of that, the ultimate saving. So, do check out the link in the description below. Retouch4me Stray Hairs is one of those tools that doesn't feel flashy until you use it in real time. Granted, certain hairs can be stubborn, but as a dedicated flyaway hair fixer, it does what it promises: save time, reduce frustration, and let you get back to the creative part of editing instead of fighting 1,000 tiny strands. Try the Stray Hairs plugin out and let us know how this worked out for you. See you guys on the next video.